Hi everyone. So today we're back with the 14th episode of Per Ardua Ad Astra, and today we have Dr. Pratha Gupta D, who secured an amazing rank of 500 in NEET PG
Thank you so much.
2023. So, thank you for taking out your valuable time for us. And without any further ado, we'll start with the interview. So, the first segment of the interview is academia. So, Dee, I would like to ask, when in which year did you start your UG
Uh,
preparation for PG?
like I have, I think, said in one of my another interviews that when you enter Harding, the direction of the wind changes. You know that you can't study now. You have to party. You have to go out every day to CP. So that was my schedule for I think the first 2 years of college. And I really never picked up any books. I remember not buying Robbins. I've never bought Robbins. But this is not something which I should brag about. But yes, this was like a very honest part of my story. And I started my journey with everything like preparation phase in third year actually, because in the end of second year I met a few people and I saw a few of my friends. They started getting more serious towards studies and they were like, we have to crack the exam as well. And then we realized that okay, we can party, but we need to study because then this party will mean nothing and the tag of Harding has to end someday when you get out of college. So I started my journey with all these institutes like DAMS and Marrow in third year. I took very baby steps actually. That I started making notes. Then maybe in final year I started doing some questions, and then in internship I was very rigorous. I was very hardworking. I was like work. I was working 24 hours, and I was not even sleeping. I was coming to the reading room and studying because I had to clear the exam somehow.
Wow. So during
Huh.
that time, there must be times when you must be like feeling
Yeah.
down or demotivated.
Okay.
So what was your
So
motivation?
matlab, the first question I feel for myself should be that why somebody from complete partying shift to like studying or going to the reading room. It was because I feel in Harding it is quite less talked about, but there is a part loneliness here which comes in some days later when you are into college. I hope nobody gets to experience it, but a lot of people I know and a lot of people I see on a daily basis or I saw in those days were going through that, and same and similarly was I. My friend equations were not that great. My group had shrunken. I had from approximately 7 to 8 friends now 2 3 very close friends which I am still in good touch with. So then when you have less things to do, I was like, no, I have to study now. And then of course there were moments which were so low, you have no clue because you are in a third year, you are studying, you see people going out, you are in the reading room. I remember PG saying, what are you even doing here? Why do you keep studying here? Why do you sit and like read? And then I remember in final year, my weekends were completely reserved for TNDs. I used to go to dams every weekend. I did not skip. Like, I think even a single TND, I used to go just without studying with my best friend who was doing ops from here. And we were, you know, we accepted it that okay, we need to like fit in academics into our daily schedule. We did go out. I did with whatever friends and whatever circle I had left. I did party a lot, but yes, there were moments when you will be judged for. Unfortunately, you will be judged for choosing academics over partying. But I feel it has been the best choice for me because parties come and go, but once you get the seat, it's very it gets simple
You get
and
relaxed
yes, you
now.
really do, and it is better to like come out of the system as soon as you can. You can't. Matlab, it's better to just like get out of the race with any seat of your choice.
Yeah. So
Huh.
like you have a lot of hobbies as well. You are
Yeah,
part of
yeah,
ILA.
yes,
So like what was your go-to thing like during your me
okay,
time? You must be having some time to yourself during the
yes, yes.
preparation.
So while I was here in Harding, in internship, I did not get any me time because you don't get any time. Internship here is quite hectic and you're made to come. You can't skip, you can't take a lot of CLs. But for that, the only solution is that, like, somehow make a schedule for yourself that whatever leaves you're taking, it's in a row so that you get to complete subjects in a row. So that was my one thing. And for hobbies, I actually never got time to develop anything more because when I was out of college, I was not when like after ending internship on 31st of March of this 31st of March, yes,
Huh.
of 2024. So we had very less time at our hands, and what I did was I was studying 16 hours a day, and 1 hour I took out for myself where I had coffee and I went out for a walk. And I never thought of clearing the exam or not clearing the exam. I just knew that it will happen, and it did.
That's like 16 hours is like so amazing and
You have to when you
so
feel like you,
rigorous.
because unfortunately the problem with me happened was that I had put in already a lot of effort by the end of internship. I had given so many hours, and then I was not getting a very good rank in my mock papers and everything. And I remember traveling 1 hour from CP to like give a random computer based test. I used to give a CL for that, and
Wow.
I had literally skipped on to so many trips in my internship that no, I want to study. And when I ended internship, I realized that I am not on a very good place right now in terms of my preparation. And then I was like, I had a tunnel vision that now I have to just read, and this will happen if it has to happen. Then, and if it does not, I'll just deal with it then. Look, I am very grateful to God that it did.
That like we're all as Hardonians and like we're very proud to be your juniors to be honest.
No, no, it is. You have no idea how amazing and how surreal it feels for somebody from Harding to say that, and you for me to hear that, because Harding has has had the best highs, but yes, the worst lows as well. So I feel it is unbelievable. Yes.
That's actually true. So like coming on to the next question, like what were all the resources which helped you crack the
Yeah.
exam?
So I started my main journey. It was with dams. I have made all my notes from dams, but yes, I have jumped to like almost every resource for some subjects like PSM. I did from dams, but medicine I did from Bhatia. Marrow, but QBank I did from Marrow. Then
Okay.
surgery I did from Marrow. Like it is something which you have to build for yourself, but yes, stick to that resource. Don't try and like go and do everything from everywhere, because you will not reach anywhere. And my ultimate resource which I picked up in my internship was BTR. And actually BTR was so good and so kind of ma'am to like launch it in the same year while we were interns, because I decided that I will make BTR as my base. It would be the minimum, it would be my NCRT. I have to know it word by word. I have to be able to recite it. And I was able to do that. And then uske upar I used to read more and more notes. So I would say that you have to first start making notes, hopefully. And if you are willing, by second year, third year, it's a very good time. And complete it by third year end. I don't think final year gives you the time to make notes now. Like in our time when we had just a 12 months final year, we never did get any time to make notes at that time. And but I strongly recommend, and after receiving so many messages from so many juniors in Harding, I still want to say that please don't jump to BTR before internship. It
Okay.
is a ultimate rapid revision source, so it should be used towards the end. Final year में I did read not word by word or page by page, but yes, घाई पढ़नी पड़ती है. दत्ता वगैरह बिल्कुल नहीं छुई थी मैंने. हैरिसन थोड़ी बहुत to like as per my convenience and my interest, because I really liked medicine. Surgery, only the updates like breast updates and all I had to see. So I would, unfortunately, the problem with me is that I never started my journey early. Like I was not not with dams as such, but I was not reading anything in my first and second year. So the problem was that I could not I could never put those books up because I was not familiar with the content. But yes, I remember towards the end of like just reaching the exam 15 days before, I did flip Apurva Shastri a bit. It's a very good book, and you get direct repeats from that.
Yeah, like as second years also like Purva
हाँ.
Shastri is like prepared notes
Yes,
ki
yes,
yeah
you
isi se पढ़ लो.
actually, and I remember, but for everybody in first year, I really feel that you should read Genong or Gaitin, but I prefer Genong because वो डायरेक्ट आ जाता है उससे, बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट आ जाएगा. और मेरे को याद है, आई एम लकी टू हैव हैड फ्रेंड्स हु वर इन सच एट सच अ गुड लेवल in their preparation that they were reading along towards the end, like when AIMS was coming or NEET was coming. So I was lucky that I could just call them up towards the end of the day and say, just मुझे बता दो कि important क्या है, एक बार बस मुझे बता दो, मैं खुद पढ़ लूंगी उसके बाद. बट ये सब बहुत लास्ट में करना होता है. You need to be at like a very good level to touch Genong for your NEET and INICT exams. इतना नहीं टाइम मिलता दैट यू कैन डू द बुक रीडिंग, बट डेफिनेटली नोट्स बनाए थे. बट जो मैंने गलती करी थी कि मैंने वो नोट्स बस बनाए थे लाइक अ ब्लाइंड पर्सन. वो कभी मैंने वापस रिविजिट नहीं करे थे थर्ड ईयर में. दैट वाज अ मिस्टेक. थोड़ा माइंडफुली बनाओ, कम बनाओ. एक तो सब्जेक्ट कम करो थर्ड ईयर में कंप्लीट, बट माइंडफुली नोट्स बनाओगे ना, यू विल रिटेन अ लॉट मोर. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट बस माइंडफुली बनाना. डोंट जस्ट मेक इट फॉर द सेक ऑफ मेकिंग इट. या वो तो पीडीएफ भी आता ही है, वही कर लेना फिर. That will be my advice. Yeah.
Yeah, so like obviously internship is itself demanding,
It
और
is. It is.
like पूरा दिन like
हाँ.
इतना सारा 24 hours में इतना कुछ हो जाता है. So like how did you like manage your time? Can you give us some tips for time
So
management?
internship is another universe. You start earning. You become a doctor, and you should be very proud of it. Who all are interns हमारे immediate ही हैं अभी, immediate juniors ही हैं. But I feel कि internship में हार्डिंग का ये problem है कि unfortunately जहाँ patient load भी नहीं है जिन branches में,
हाँ.
you are unfortunately made to work 24 hours over there. Like surgery and a lot more. And our PSM posting, which is supposed to be the lightest of all, I remember doing 30 hours of there. Not just me, everybody was doing. I was not the unique person who said कि नहीं मेरे को ड्यूटी करने दो. So internship के साथ मैनेज का ये है कि सबसे पहले तो बीटीआर करना स्टार्ट कर दो. Firstly, second I would say is questions करने हैं maximum. Or you have to wake up to a question bank, you have to sleep to a question bank. Then I would, मेरा तो routine था from the hospital to the reading room. I never went to the room in between. कम जाती थी. Some days you do. Parties mostly limited to the weekends, not weekdays. And I had limited myself to like going out once or maximum twice in a week, not more than that. And yes, you need to be kind to yourself as well, because I remember in my medicine posting I did not even pick up any book because it was hectic and it was really fun as well. So नहीं मन होता था पढ़ने का. But then you need to make up for that in other postings. And एक strict schedule follow करना है, and you have to give GTs like, मतलब बेशर्मों की तरह कहना नहीं चाहिए. मतलब if you're not even getting 100 correct, you still give it in the next 10 days. So what you'll get 102 correct. I can bank on this. I have done this. I was very rigorous with my GT approach. I would just randomly give any GT on any platform, and if people were asking me the score, I would actually tell them to their face without any shame that I have had such bad scores. But that really gave me the confidence to at least crack questions towards the end of my internship. I was at a very decent level.
So like would you give some tips? Like can you give some tips for the juniors? Like
So juniors should firstly wake up and sleep to a question bank. First तो यही करना होता है. 50-50 question banks daily. And I would suggest, आजकल तो सबके पास AirPods वगैरह होते हैं, लगाओ कान में, काम करते रहो until the PG is not telling you ना like get up and do this. Then just do this. And secondly, I highly recommend not fighting over rosters for internship. It is the biggest waste of time ever. You will consume yourself completely and not come out with any good. So जो भी ड्यूटीज जो भी कह रहे हैं बिना लड़े कर लो. दैट इज बेटर फॉर यू. दैट विल सेव यू अ लॉट मोर टाइम, एंड it will literally bring a great mental peace. Like I would share a part of my success is because my co-interns were so cooperative. You have no clue. Oh my god, they were so sweet. They would cover up for me. They would switch for duties for me so that I could get 4-5 holidays, and I used to go back home for that. So, and especially if you're in the community medicine block, you have to make maximum use of it, बिकॉज उसमें ना फिर भी मिल जाता है लीव्स एंड अनऑफ्स है उसमें, तो 7 to 10 days मिलेंगे. उसमें कुछ नहीं करना, निकलना ही नहीं है रूम से बाहर. मतलब मैं तो यही करती थी. आई यूज्ड टू गो बैक टू माई होम बिकॉज वहाँ डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है, वहाँ पे सीपी नहीं है. तो आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट नेवर कम आउट ऑफ माई रूम एंड आई यूज्ड टू रीड, बिकॉज वो यार एक ही वो ब्लॉक आता है व्हेन यू आर एब्सोल्युटली नॉट लायबल फॉर एनीथिंग एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली स्टडी. देन देयर इज एफएमटी. प्लीज स्टडी उन पोस्टिंग्स में. एंड फर्स्टली मन बनाओ कि करना भी है कि नहीं, मतलब इतना टाइम डालना है कि नहीं है, इतना निकालना है कि नहीं. बिकॉज if you choose to crack it in the first go, you have to be very hardworking and on your toes. That you have to be like presence of mind होना चाहिए. मैं ओपीडी में गई थी, एक पेशेंट आया था मेरे पास. हम उसको मेटफॉर्मिन में था फॉर डायबिटीज, और मेडिसिन ओपीडी में था. पेशेंट आई डायरिया की कंप्लेंट्स के साथ. तो मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आया क्यों हो रही है. देन माय पीजी टोल्ड मी कि ये पेशेंट मेटफॉर्मिन पे इसलिए हो रही है. यू विल नॉट बिलीव दिस वाज माय INI क्वेश्चन.
wow.
एंड मतलब यार थिंग्स लाइक दीज, like they change your rank completely. And आई वुड से कि मेरी INI में तक तो इतनी प्रेपरेशन भी अच्छी नहीं हुई थी, बट माई हॉस्पिटल अवेयरनेस रियली पुल्ड मी थ्रू एंड आई गॉट अ रैंक ऑफ 504 इन दैट एग्जाम एज वेल. सो वो 1-2 महीने में आई थिंक व्हाट रियली हेल्प मी वाज कि मैं अवेयर थी कि हॉस्पिटल में हाँ सर्जरी में पेशेंट का ऐसा मैनेजमेंट होता है, मेडिसिन में हम ये करते हैं, एटलीस्ट मुझे कैनुला के नंबर नहीं याद करने पड़ रहे, एनेस्थीसिया वाली चीज़ें नहीं याद करनी पड़ रही, बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर इट फ्रॉम working in the hospital. So if you're going to the hospital, please make use of it, but it's of no use.
That's a very nice guidance to us. Like,
Thank you so much.
बहुत ज़्यादा. So like moving on to our next segment, that is Harding Diaries.
Oh,
So like you must remember like when you first entered Harding,
Oh,
matlab the first day of seeing Mata and the Lal building and everything. So what were your expectations? What were your thoughts during
Yeah.
that time?
so I come from Agra and I come from a non-medical background. Nobody
Yeah.
in my house is a doctor, and nobody ever thought that their kid would do so well. But my parents, and especially my dad, he has like, I think nobody ever believes in me so much as he did. And when I entered Harding, I was 2x of this in size wise, and I was very chubby and I was very cute. And I remember seeing Harding and I was like, oh my god, am I so lucky to be here? Have I done so well in life that I can be here? And oh god, it gives me goosebumps. And it was, I think, when I left Harding, I still feel I left my home. And it was difficult at that time when we left the college. But entering Harding was, you never know what is ahead of you. It is the most craziest ride ever, because it's an all girls college.
That's good and bad at
Yeah,
the same
both,
time.
both. But it definitely molds you into a way better personality as you like when you entered.
Yeah,
for sure.
I completely agree because like my 2 years here, like I have become a different person from what I
Completely.
was. Yeah. So like continuing with Harding Diaries, so there are many spots in this college like jahan like we
Haan.
hang out. So what was your personal favorite spot?
So, my roommate, who then shifted to the room next to me in West Block,
This
sorry.
block.
Yeah. So हमारा 409 है, और नहीं यार रूम नंबर भी नहीं याद, 409 ही था शायद, तो 409 ही था, 407 और 409 रूम्स थे, और वहाँ पे जाके there's this balcony, वहाँ से ललित दिखता है,
Wow.
वहाँ से ललित दिखता है, and we used to stand there and I used to say जिस दिन सिलेक्शन होगा उस दिन उस ललित की रूफटॉप पे जाना है यार, क्योंकि यहाँ पढ़ते रहते हैं. That is one of my favorite spots. Then of course ये जो back से जाते हैं towards like behind West Block,
The director's
passage,
residence.
the director's residence. Oh god, that is the best spot. I think I've had all of my breakup cries over there only. I've cried there whenever I've broken up, and it is amazing. I think hostel में तो यही, campus में I really like the new hospital area. Amazing to walk around, and also Mata. And my favorite are the stairs.
Oddie
I have
steps.
lived there for 3 years. वो the best है.
So like what like is there any like specific very deep and core memory associated to any spot of Harding that you've mentioned?
Oh god, I have had so many, you know, there are a lot of memories. There are memories when there was a time in Harding when you were not allowed to like come back after 12 a.m. at night. I think you guys were not there. हम जूनियर्स थे, फर्स्ट ईयर थे तब.
Okay.
तो हमें बोला गया कि अब अंदर नहीं
We
आ सकते
cannot
12-1
imagine
बजे
that.
बाद. तो हमने कहा ठीक है, पर हम पार्टी करना नहीं छोड़ेंगे, तो हम यहीं बैठते थे 5 बजे तक सुबह के. ये सब भी हुआ है.
Wow.
Exactly. Yeah, there have been. I remember one of my core memories is hitting the gym in Harding, because I was so mentally irritated by whatever was going on in life at that time that I decided I will just hit the gym every day with my best friend, and that is like one of the very core memories. And एक PSM के सर हैं, वो बोलते भी थे कि तुम तो बहुत जिम आती हो, इतना भागा मत करो, नीज चले जाएंगे. मैंने कहा सर अभी तो बहुत यंग है. So this is one good memory. Of course Viola practices, but Viola उस टाइम पे बहुत funny था मेरे लिए, because I was not in the best shape. And
Okay.
our seniors and even Prabha, they were very meticulous. They were like, you have to come, you have to dance, this, that. And I was like, भाई ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा, थक जाती हूँ मैं, इतना स्टैमिना ही नहीं है. But it was, so हमारे टाइम पे practices वहाँ होती थी in front of the acad. So that was one very special place and memory for me. Also going to Bits Plani was one of the best experiences I've had. And Viola was really, really good. And I think one of my very core memory here was during my tenure as a joint secretary. when I
Okay.
conducted Splash.
Like, what made you choose Viola in the
Uh,
first place?
I love dancing, and Viola ki energy is different. Viola takes you to so many colleges in Delhi. That is great. And
Yeah.
you kind of become a family there, and also you kind of speak to each other so much, and you make friends there. Like a lot of Viola people ended up being my friends, and I still speak to my juniors a lot from Viola. They will still text me. I will still text them, and you are very close. And then when farewell comes and you get that Viola wala part and Viola wala sequence, it is amazing.
Like, did you ever feel कि like ज़्यादा हो रहा है or you can't do it?
बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे लगता था second year में the problem was that I had also become a joint secretary, and then I had to balance Viola and the Splash as well.
Oh,
So that was really tricky for me, and to be very honest, I really bunked Viola a lot. But then I decided that okay, I'll be part of less sequences in dance because I can't manage it both. And I remember बहुत funny होता था यार. I remember that time I was dating. He used to come up in between the Viola practices and say, "Bhai, what is this, yaar? This is not ending." मैंने कहा, "This dance never ends." And we used to have these night practices. It was amazing. But yes, it kind of did get tricky. And I remember a lot of people actually stepped out of Viola in the second year, but I never thought so because I was like, कुछ पढ़ती हूँ नहीं, कुछ और करती नहीं हूँ, अब अच्छा डांस तो कर लेंगे. And you like being a senior, Viola gives you that authority.
yeah. So, like, juggling between
हाँ,
student union and
it
Viola
was tough.
practices
It was very
must
tough.
be like.
It was very tough, and we were like, then I would also give credit to Prabha and everyone else in the team in those times that they were very considerate. They understood that okay, they have to go there.
Leaving Viola, leaving the college,
Oh,
like at the interns day, Harding, Viola must be your core memory at that time,
I
है
remember crying the maximum when I left. I was the first person to leave hostel because I had realized कि 7 दिन से हम केवल रोते हैं. मतलब सुबह रोते हैं, रात को पार्टी करते हैं, सुबह रोते हैं, रात को पार्टी करते हैं. तो वो ठीक नहीं लग रहा था. तो आई वाज लाइक यार ऐसे तो ना एग्जाम नहीं आएगा, और एग्जाम की डेट अब आ गई. आई वाज द फर्स्ट किड टू लीव द हॉस्टल. बट यार इतना सोचा था कि इतना नहीं रोएंगे, इतना नहीं रोएंगे. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई लॉक्ड माय रूम एंड आई वाज स्टेपिंग आउट. ओ गॉड, आई हैव क्राइड थ्रू द एंटायर कॉरिडोर. एंड ऐसा लगता था कि somebody has taken like a piece of heart is still here because when you come here you are so young, and when you leave you are kind of, it is हमारा तो 6 years था,
हाँ.
तो इतना लंबा टाइम हो जाता है and you feel changed, and you have so many new things to look forward to. इतना स्ट्रेस होता है लाइफ में because होमलेस से हो जाते हो, वो something to fall back on to चला जाता है. Also हमेशा बहुत सिक्योर, लाइक हाँ कितना सिक्योर नहीं लगता. यू फील लाइक ओ माई गॉड, नथिंग कैन गो रॉन्ग व्हेन यू हियर, एंड इवन इफ इट डज यू विल हैंडल इट. वो एक होम, एक वो सिक्योरिटी चली जाती है. आई रिमेंबर एंड इंटर्न्स डे तो बहुत ही स्पेशल था बिकॉज वी वर वेरी लकी कि हमारे टाइम पे इंटर्न्स डे पे नीट वाज नॉट वेरी क्लोज. So we had like ample amount of time to buy a good sari. We had ample amount of time to dress up properly. I have photos like approximately with 30-40 people of my batch, and core memories were built. And I remember hugging everybody. I remember talking to them कि कोई नहीं, आना तो दिल्ली है वापस, कहीं ना कहीं आएंगे. But definitely we cross paths, and I'm very happy that I have already crossed paths with so many of my batchmates who are pursuing some branches in DU itself. And मतलब उस टाइम पे तुम्हें लगेगा when you are in your farewell कि इतने बड़े कब हो गए. But this is my place and it will always be.
We have a rapid fire round as well. So, what would you choose, PG Mess or RMO Mess?
RMO mess, but I used to go PG mess ज़्यादा, वो पास है.
Same.
But of course RMO mess था.
I think same. हम सबका यही होगा. First year or internship?
Internship.
Wow. KKD brownie और PG Mess के पराठे?
Not a big dessert fan, so PG mess parathe.
Front bencher or back bencher?
No, not at all a bencher. Never went to the LTs. I was thrown out. I was a backbencher or not at all. I was a chronic absentee. I was actually short of attendance also in my first year. I was called back from my home कि जाओ biochem में class attend करो.
Remedial. Last question is one word to describe Harding.
It is home. It is home.
Wow.
It is my home in Delhi. I come from
Wow.
Agra, but it is my home in Delhi. Absolute love. I say that when you walk out of Harding, you know, and you will definitely walk out with the confidence that everything you set your mind to is definitely yours. It will be yours, I'm telling you.
That's like your journey and your thoughts are so wholesome. Like it makes us feel proud to be a Harmonian,
You must be.
basically.
Thank you so
So
much for having me. It has
thank
been
you.
immensely, immensely special.
And I hope everyone learned and gained a lot from this session.